we would see the highlights of OneBill UCaaS solution and how it integrates seamlessly with 2600 Hz Telnyx and TeleDynamics platforms. For the demo, we are going to be taking an example of ABC Corporation, which wants to launch UCaaS services. They are tied up with 2600 Hz to use it as their soft switch. Telnyx is the carrier for call routing and DID ordering. TeleDynamics is used for ordering voice over IP phones, and OneBill is used as their billing and revenue management solution. They want a business to be able to choose one or more of these services when they buy it from them. Let's now see the workflow of how this works and how the interaction happens between these platforms. First, let's look at how a customer is created in the billing platform OneBill. The user is able to capture information about the customer, their billing date, their contact information, address, etc. They will be able to go ahead and set up the account in the system. Once the customer is created, the next step would be to create a code for the customer. The sales rep would create a code for the customer, add the necessary elements in the code. Once they add all elements, they can go ahead and create a code document. As part of the ordering process, they can search for available telephone numbers specifying the NPA or NXX from Telnyx and choose the number that they need. Once the customer gets a code, he would go ahead and sign the code. With the OneBill DocuSign integration, they can go into the DocuSign URL for the code. They can sign the code with DocuSign and automatically convert it to an order. Once the order is submitted, it goes to a pending activation stage, which means the workflow is kicked off. The fulfillment is initiated at this point, and the first request is a call into Telnyx to order the DID. Once the DID has been associated with the customer, the DID from Telnyx is retrieved back into the system. Using our workflow viewer, you will be able to see in which stage of the workflow the order is at a particular point in time. You'll be able to see the request that goes to the downstream system as well as the response that comes there, so you can look at the information that is transferred between different platforms. Once the DID is done, the next step is to order a voice over IP phone with an API call to the TeleDynamics platform. See the request into TeleDynamics platform and the response that we receive with the MAC address from TeleDynamics. To receive the MAC from TeleDynamics, now it's the time to go ahead and create the user in the 2600 platform, set up the DID and the MAC that we retrieved from Telnyx and TeleDynamics in the 2600 platform. All the stages are complete. You see the order status goes to success. Sends an order activation confirmation to the customer if the business chooses to. The order status in the billing platform changes to fulfilled as well. The phone number ordered from the billing platform can be seen in the Telnyx portal. The number being ordered against that customer in the Telnyx portal. From the 2600 Hz platform, we can see the account created. All information like the administrator name, email, and other information can be passed from OneBill to the 2600 Hz platform. Information like the user ID and details from the 2600 Hz platform are also updated in the billing system. Charges are also seen here, and now the customer can be sent an invoice so that you can collect the payment from the customer platform. So why choose OneBill? The advantage is being an automated fulfillment with different downstream systems so that you could automate your entire orchestration process. This reduces human intervention and the wheelchair ordering, so you don't miss anything and avoid revenue leakage due to the tighter integration. It's easy to set up and modify the workflows defined in the platform. There is automated CDR processing from either the carrier platform or your soft switch. So you could also charge for the calls made by your customers. You can customize the orchestration based on your business needs, and you get a complete solution to handle your entire quote to cash process, including all the key modules that you need. In summary, you get UCaaS quote to cash solution in a box when you go with OneBill. Thank you.